Jungle.
2019 Audi A8 inspired by the Audi Prologue concept car in 2014 with sexy and seductive features. This is the first design of Mark Licht, head of product design department of Audi AG. Most likely will be the new design language car for Audi's next products. Promises new breakthroughs in shaping beauty. Car color: Audi A8 with 12 exterior color options, mainly neutral colors, exuding elegance. Including black, white, gray, silver, and brown with many different shades to help customers to choose the right color for their taste. Exterior Audi A8 2019 car. The new Audi A8L 2019 is still chosen by many successful entrepreneurs thanks to keeping its own quality, luxury and class. The look of the Audi A8 is not too fussy but enough to attract every look on the road when rolling. The Audi A8 has an overall dimensions of 5,265 x 2,111 x 1,471 mm, larger than rival Mercedes S450 5,255 x 1,899 x 1,494 mm. In the first part, the most prominent is still the typical hexagonal grille of Audi but stretched to the sides very beautifully. The next indispensable highlight is the Xenon Plus LED sensor headlight cluster with integrated light wash system. Curved headlights and all-weather conditions combined with daytime running lights help the Audi A8 look extremely attractive. Audi A8's car does not abuse too many embossed lines like other rivals but has its own direction. When it comes to luxury thanks to the soft and flexible lines in the body. 19-inch wheels with 10-letter design. Personality of A8 is also quite elaborate Audi with very impressive shaping. It is also equipped with electric folding rear view mirror with electric folding function with memory ability. Automatic anti-glare and hot drying help A8 shape in the eyes of customers is a technology-filled car. Tail light cluster of the Audi A8 2019 new generation made a lot. Customers were fascinated by the irresistible beauty. The tail lights of the Audi A8 2019 apply LED technology but are not as separate as most other models that are interconnected by LED strips and chrome-plated crossbars. Shiny helps the Audi A8 tail as stretched out. Underneath is the rear bumper incorporating sleek dual exhaust pipes and arranged symmetrically on both sides. Create a feeling of sporty but equally luxurious. Interior of Audi A8 car. Modern design style is thoroughly applied to the interior of the Audi A8. The guests will enjoy the open space with the wheelbase up to 3,122 mm. In order to increase aesthetics, the Audi A8 2019 also has interior lights with 3 different color tones. Besides, the car also has high ceiling combined with sunroof panorama, helping passengers feel the natural space outside. Audi A8 is equipped with an inner rear view mirror that is resistant to glare, which helps the driver observe the most favorable conditions. The A8's steering wheel is the unmistakable 4-spoke Audi car. Soft leather wrap with electric tilt adjustment and built-in convenient buttons. The entire seat on the Audi A8 2019 new generation of high-end leather Valkenop, with 5 color options to help customers have more choices. The front seat of the car can be electrically integrated with inflatable 4-way seat backrest incorporates memory function and seat belt control. 2019 Audi A8. This version has been equipped with 4-zone automatic air conditioning system to help keep the cabin in a cool state. The infotainment system of the new generation Audi A8 makes many competitors in the segment wary. Possesses many modern entertainment features such as central MMI system with touch controller with 8-inch color screen, 6-disc DVD/CD player, 20 GB hard drive that supports MP3/WMA/AAC/MPEG 1,2,4/WMX/ATID formats. Bluetooth connectivity. Bose sound system brings live music space. In addition, the Audi A8 2019 also has some other features such as convenient key without keyless start, boot by button, 230V outlet, sunshade, makeup mirror. Powering the Audi A8 is two turbocharged TFSI engines. Direct injection is a 3.0L V6 and 4.0L V8 version. Capable of producing maximum capacity of 310 to 435 horsepower and maximum torque of 440 to 600 Nm. The full power will be maximized thanks to the Quattro Tiptronic 8 gearbox and a full-time 4-wheel drive system that helps the new generation Audi A8 can accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in just 4.6 to 5.9 seconds. However, the A8 still has a difference of 0.5 to 0.8 seconds compared to the S450L, both of which have maximum speeds of up to 250 km/h. Audi also equips 8 adaptive air suspension system to ensure smooth ride, minimizing the phenomenon of shocking, as well as developing on ASF chassis. Using high-quality materials to help the car lose weight more than 50 kilograms compared to the old generation. A8 is equipped with thin tires with parameters 255/45R19 to help the car have better traction, which gives a feeling of excitement when accelerating. Besides, using electric power steering, the steering on the Audi A8 will be very gentle and comfortable. Audi's fuel consumption is also significantly improved by Audi to 7.9-9.2 L/100 km, helping to save money for owners. The car is equipped with remarkable safety systems such as cruise control, tire pressure warning, parking assist, anti-electronic lock, ISOFIX child seat fixed lock. The entire Real Madrid team and the club's coaching team have received the latest sponsorship gifts from Audi. This is the partner of the Spanish Royal Club for many years, and Audi's representative in Spain.